Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news.
You know the voice, you've seen the grace, you've felt the presence. But who really is Fae Ellington, a national icon or a misunderstood media matriarch? Today, we pull back the curtain on one of the most recognizable voices in Jamaican broadcasting history. Fae Ellington isn't just a broadcaster, she's the broadcaster. For over 4 decades, her voice has echoed through Jamaican homes, from JBC Radio to TVJ, setting the gold standard for professionalism, diction, and poise. Trained at the Royal Academy of Dramatic Art in London, Fae brought a level of finesse and cultural pride to Jamaican media that few could match. She wasn't just reading the news. She was teaching the nation how to speak, how to listen, how to understand itself. She became synonymous with morning shows, current affairs, cultural presentations, and national events. When Fae spoke, the country listened. But Fae's legacy isn't just her velvet voice, it's her uncompromising standards. She was known to correct presenters live on air. To some, that was mentorship. To others, intimidation. She famously called out sloppiness in speech and broadcasting, becoming a cultural gatekeeper who demanded excellence. But did that come at a cost? Some young media personalities whispered that she was too strict, too old-fashioned, too harsh. Was it tough love or territorial defense? Was she uplifting the next generation or holding on too tightly to her throne? Beyond media, Fae served as a lecturer at Carrimack UWI, shaping the minds of hundreds of young communicators. She taught broadcasting as both science and art, pushing students to learn not only how to speak, but how to think critically. But she wasn't afraid to ruffle feathers. She spoke out against poor leadership, cultural erasure, and political hypocrisy, even when it meant standing alone. From defending patois as a language to challenging how our media celebrates certain personalities, Fae wasn't here to please. She was here to preserve truth and culture. In 2019, Ellington came under fire when she publicly criticized dancehall lyrics for promoting violence and degrading women. Social media erupted. Some hailed her for defending decency. Others accused her of being out of touch with modern culture and dismissing youth expression. But even in the heat of backlash, Fae never wavered. She doubled down, insisting, "We cannot celebrate vulgarity and expect virtue in our children." Was this a bold stand or a generational disconnect? Fae Ellington was awarded the Order of Distinction Commander Class in 2014 for her contribution to media and culture. But her impact goes beyond titles. She has directed plays, curated national celebrations, mentored countless voices, and served as a cultural ambassador. She lives and breathes Jamaican identity, from the intonation of a patois word to the pacing of a ceremonial poem. Love her or criticize her, Fae represents an era that believes in class, clarity, and cultural consciousness. So, who is Fae Ellington? An icon, a disciplinarian, a media matriarch who refused to bend with the times. Or maybe she's all of the above, and that's what makes her unforgettable. Because in a world of fleeting fame, Fae stood firm. And in doing so, She didn't just speak to Jamaica, she helped shape it. Do you think Fae Ellington preserved Jamaican media or stifled its evolution? Like, subscribe, and share for more exposés on the voices that shaped our culture.